Chinese phone maker Vivo on Thursday announced that it would unveil the Vivo V9 in India on March 27, weeks before its official launch. The live images of the smartphone have leaked online, revealing the complete design of the smartphone. The highlight of the Vivo V9 appears to be its iPhone X-like top notch that houses the front camera, earpiece and probably couple of other sensors. The phone comes with a nearly full-view display, as the front is nearly bezel-less except for a pretty small bottom bezel. Besides, the phone also seems to sport a metal build. As for the rear panel, there is a dual rear camera setup along with a dedicated LED flash that located at top left corner in a vertical orientation. The fingerprint sensor sits in the center right above the Vivo branding. Antenna lines run on the top and bottom part of the rear panel. The volume control and power buttons are placed on the right side of the device, while the SIM card sits on the left. The image also confirms a hybrid SIM slot for supporting dual SIMs or one SIM and one microSD card. The Vivo V9 sports a 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom. Next to it disappointingly seems like micro USB port. The leaked image shows the Vivo V9 gold color, though there are reports that there will be black and blue variants too. This is not the first time Vivo V9 has surfaced online. Previously, the Vivo V9 smartphone was teased by name on Vivo Malaysia Twitter handle, and as well Indonesia's social media handles featured a few teasers. The teaser images and videos reaffirmed the thin design and top notch on the front. As for the internal specifications, nothing has been confirmed so far. However, reports indicate the Vivo V9 will ship with a 24MP selfie camera and of course a primary dual camera setup. It is not clear if the phone will have HD+ display, similar to the predecessor, or if Vivo will move to a full HD+ display. Industry sources, however, have revealed the price of Vivo V9 that is expected to be priced around INR 25,000 in the Indian market. This would make it more expensive than both of its predecessors, the V7 and V7 Plus, which were launched at Rs 18,990 and Rs 21,990, respectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.